Welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the data frame. How to create a data frames with the dictionary data. So let me show you the code. Please walk through with me. Please wait. So here you can see I have some information. This is regarding for students. So name is a key and these are the values, different student names and their ages and the subject marks. So here I have some dictionary information. So using of this information I am going to create a data frame. So if you want to create a data frame, first we need to import the library. The library is nothing but pandas. So let me show you how to import the library. So first import pandas as PD. PD is the alias name. So now I am going to take one variable, that is df, that is optional. Variable is optional, but I am taking as a df is nothing but data frame. So first you need to write the library name, that is pd dot data frame is a method. You can see the data frame. D should be capital, F should be capital. Data frame of, I am going to pass my dictionary, the variable here, dict1. So df. Here you can see this is the data frame. So if you want, you can access the individual column. If you want to access a particular rows, you can use the slicing. Let me show you some example here. Maybe I want to see only the name column only, but here you can see it is a matrix form, and if you want to check the shape of it, you just write like a df dot shape, total 6 rows 5 columns, 6 into 5. So I want to see only a particular column, that is nothing but name of the students. Then what you need to do, you write like a variable name. Inside of the square bracket write the column name here, name. You can see a particular column. Maybe a particular row of information only I want to see. That means Lakshmi and Geeta, only these two rows only I want to see. In that scenario you can use the slicing. So first write the variable name df of, inside of the square brackets write the index numbers. What is the index number for Geeta? Maybe Lakshmi and Geeta I want to see. So Lakshmi index number is 2 and Geeta index number is 3. But n minus 1. 3 means top value. N minus 1 means only Lakshmi value will be printed. That's why you need to write like a 2 to 4. If I am writing like a 2 to 4. So 4 means top value, n minus 1. So 3. 2 to 3 rows will be printed. So you can see Lakshmi and Geeta. Maybe if you want to see a particular column summation value, that means what is the total of the science marks. If you want to see that, just you can write like a df of. So column name is a case sensitive. That's why you can take the same variable name, same column name, df of science marks dot, I want to see the total, so sum of, you can see 527. So we have like a different methods are there, but I will explain in detail in the coming sessions when we are in the pandas library. So thank you. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.